Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke? Guess what? Today, I will be sharing an opportunity that will help you travel to Germany for free. And if this is something that you are interested in, I'll be sharing an opportunity that will help you travel to Germany for free. And if you're interested in this opportunity, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And thank you for all that you do. I see you and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And to those of you that are seeing this because it's happening for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. I know I'm hyper, I don't need to be reminded, I don't need to be told. Let me go ahead and introduce myself as well while you introduce yourself. Besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, I'm a student, I'm also a fashion designer. I'm on this channel and share videos every week. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. You can also, yeah, that's about it. So without further ado, let's get right into this business. But first, I want to say a big thank you once again to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I trust that you're going to share this video as well. In my previous video, I shared another Germany student festival that is fully funded. They'll pay for your flights, accommodation, and everything that you need. This is another festival in Germany. Don't forget to like and share this video. Let's get right into it. How to apply and which festival I'm talking about. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So, guys, have you heard of Gristuf World International Student Festival in Germany? Yes, so are you looking for a student festival that blends activism, that blends art and global issues? Guess what? Gristuf in Germany might be your best match. Gristuf is held in the charming town of Gristuf, and it's a space for creative minds like yours to tackle global challenges through workshops and cultural events. And here is what is covered. They cover your accommodation, they cover your food. Travel grants may also be available depending on funding. So please apply for funding. And it is held every 2 years, typically in the summer. Yes, and why should you apply? You're going to engage with artists, with activists, and students from around the world in a truly collaborative environment right in the heart of Germany. Yes, so make sure that you don't miss this chance to be part of this creative revolution. So if you're looking for a student festival that blends creativity, activism, and global dialogue, I'm telling you, Gristuf in Germany is your dream destination. And Gristuf, just in case you don't know, it stands for Gristuf International Students Festival, and it is held in a charming coastal town and brings together students to explore themes like migration, like climate change and social justice through arts, through workshops and community projects. And here is what is covered. Participants receive free accommodation and meals. Travel support is also available depending on funding and needs. So please ask. You're going to stay in hotels or student dormitories and also enjoy local cuisines. Gristuf values creativity, so your application should reflect your personality and your passion. So please go ahead and share your experiences with activism, art, or community work. So if you have led a project or you've created something meaningful, if you've ever done it, let's talk about it. Now, this festival is known for its inclusive vibe. You're going to meet a lot of artists, a lot of activists, and students that care deeply about making the world a better place. These workshops are hands-on and the cultural events are unforgettable. Make sure that you come with your local traditional attire. Also follow them on Facebook and follow them on Instagram as well for updates. Applications open early, so do not wait. And if you want help in crafting a standout application, I am here to support you. All you need to do is just join my Patreon community and you can book a 15-minute consultation with me. Yes, and we can discuss all things travel, scholarships, and all of the good stuff. Or you can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button and join my channel membership. Find the links in my Patreon community in my description as well as in my comments. By the way, guys, I am passionately seeking a name, a suitable name for our community members. What name do you suggest I should name our community members? Yes, so I need your help, I need your input. I'm not even right now, I don't know why nothing is really sticking right now. So I need you guys, I need your support, I need your help. Let me know what you think. What names do you think that what names? You can give me a couple of names and I can say, okay, I think we should go with this name. Or we can also do a debate in the community section. Yes, we can also do a debate in the community section. And I still have another international students conference in Romania. Yes, It is fully funded though. You don't have to pay anything. You pay for your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, everything that you need for the duration of that conference. And it's gonna be in my next video. So guys, don't sleep on it. On this same channel, you guys, you asked and I listened. I actually told you guys that I was privileged to hear about an international student festival about 20 years ago, back when I was in university. It's called ISFIT, ISFIT, International Students Festival in Trondheim, Norway. But the next one is happening in 2027, and I told you guys about it, and I asked if you want to see more of fully funded conferences or scholarships, where you traditional scholarships that you can get to study for a 2-year master degree or a PhD or even a 4-year undergraduates. And then you guys said you want information on international students conferences like this one and that are fully funded. So guys, see, I'm rooting for you. I need you to also root for me. Share this video with your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And as always, the link is in my description, just in case you think, oh, okay, so what is this spelling? The correct spelling, don't worry, I got you. It's all in my description. You can always check out the link in my description and apply for this opportunity. And like I said, if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, my Patreon community is open. And yes, on my channel, I shared a good number of international student conferences. So I've shared international students conference happening in Canada, depending on which country you like. I shared the one for Canada International Fully Funded Conference. So I shared Tanzania Fully Funded Conference. I shared Brazil Fully Funded Conference. I also shared Canada. I shared Australia. I shared South Africa. And I hope I've not repeated myself twice. I shared all of these conferences on my channel. So please go ahead and check them out and apply for them right now. I hope they are still open. So take advantage of these opportunities. How many can I go for? So it's all for you guys. And please also share it. Share this video in your community. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share these videos with your colleagues in school, students, besties, church, mosques, religious organizations, and what have you. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. But before we get to my next video, if you're new here and you've not introduced yourself yet, I want to really know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your massive love and your support. Like, I don't take you for granted. I see you. I see every single one of you. I promise you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Miriam. I'm your host, your bestie, your girl. And I upload 3 videos every week on this same channel. I'm rooting for you guys. I'm working day and night for you guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. So like this video, share this video, and tell a friend, and check this video right here.